Most iPhone users think they know iOS, but iOS 26 hides some insanely useful features that Apple barely mentioned. Some of these save time, some make your iPhone look cooler, and one of them completely changed how you use the Notes app. If you're using iOS 26 and you're not using these features, you're missing out. Let me show you 6 hidden iOS 26 features you should start using today. Let's start with a feature that's small but incredibly smart. When you search for emojis on your keyboard, iOS 26 now briefly shows a description of the emoji above the search bar. Why this is useful. You finally know the actual name of an emoji, helps you choose the correct emoji, not just a random one, faster emoji searching, and great for accessibility and new emoji meanings. Just open any app with the keyboard, messages, notes, WhatsApp, tap the emoji icon, search for an emoji. You'll see a short description appear for a few seconds. If you've ever wondered what is this emoji actually called, iOS 26 now answers that. Now, this one is huge if you use Notes even a little. When you paste text from a website into Notes, you can now remove the link or edit it directly without deleting the text. Why this matters. Keeps your notes clean and readable, perfect for students, teachers, and content creators. Normal ugly blue links everywhere. You can rename links to look more professional. Just paste text from a website into Notes, tap and hold on the linked text, then choose Remove Link or Edit Link to change the URL or display name. This turns Notes into a much more powerful writing and research tool. Now, this next one saves a lot of time, especially if you jump between notes. While you're already inside a note, iOS 26 lets you instantly view and switch to your recent notes. Why this is useful, no need to go back to the notes list, faster multitasking, perfect for comparing notes or copying content. Just open any note, tap the 3 dots. In the top right corner, tap View Recent Notes. Instantly switch to another recent note. Once you start using this, going back the old way feels slow. This one is super simple, but many people don't know it. Instead of tapping AC, you can quickly clear all numbers in the calculator using a long press. Why this is useful? Faster calculations, less tapping, perfect when you make a big mistake. Just tap and hold the backspace button or, depending on context, once you learn this, you'll never repeatedly tap AC again. This is one of those features that is hidden in plain sight. Using haptic touch on the Maps app icon, you can instantly mark your current location, share your location with someone. Why this one is useful? Faster than opening the app, great in emergencies, and perfect when someone asks, "Where are you?" How to use it? Just long press the Maps app icon, choose Mark My Location or Share My Location. It's quick, practical, and surprisingly powerful. Now, this is easily one of the coolest hidden features in iOS 26. You can create a custom focus mode that shows a custom name, a custom icon displayed next to the clock on the status bar and lock screen. And here is the trick. You don't even need to enable any focus actions. Why people love this? It makes your iPhone feel personal, perfect for aesthetic setups, looks amazing with wallpapers and themes, great for people who care about design and customization. Just go to the settings, then focus, or just through the control center, then tap to create a new focus. Choose custom, set the name and icon. Don't enable any filters or schedules. Turn it on manually. It's a simple trick, but it's completely changed how your iPhone looks. These are 6 hidden iOS 26 features that most iPhone users still don't know about. If you learned something new, hit the like button. It really helps the channel. And if you want more hidden iPhone tips, tricks, and settings, make sure you're subscribed. Trust me, your iPhone can do way more than you think.